Hi, my name's Matt. This is my 2015 Motor Guzzi Grisso and I'll be taking it on a bucket list item of mine, and that is riding around Tasmania. Now, on the way down we're going to look at some great roads through New South Wales and Victoria, and also do another bucket list of mine, and that's ride Phillip Island. Anyway, stick around. I'll be reviewing all the roads using the HEMA Maps top 200 roads and actually seeing if they're still relevant. And on the way down, I'll be checking out some interesting places along the way. I'll be sharing with you the highs, the lows of the trip, and everything in between. So, this will call two birds with one stone. First, we're going to see how far. Ooh. Alright, so 65.1. Come on. 5.1. So that's where I'm staying. So 400 metres, I really can't whinge, can I? Here. We go up one of the steepest hills I've ever encountered. That's not this one, it's the next one. Oh, not the end of the world. But where we're off to, most people, they don't talk about laundry. Now, guess what? We've all got to do it at some point. But yeah, nothing sexy about laundry, but I think I found the best way to do it in Hobart. But my advice is either get a cab, or get one of those scooters, or make sure you got good lungs. It's a long way up, let me tell you. And I think I've screwed it up already. Oh no, we're back on track. Right here we have the Marquis laundry. Now make sure I'm parking somewhere I'm meant to. Yep, let it park here. We're going to back it up. Oh, no, that's someone's. We'll do a Yui. And 1 hour parking. No problem. Anyway, let's go inside. This will make sense, surely. So you got the Marquis laundry attached to a pub. How clever. Burger and chips. Huge. Bacon, egg, cheese. Good. Absolutely delicious. So in the time it takes you to get your burger served, you eat it, and the beer, your washing and drying is done, and you have to do it. It is a self-service, mind you, so you've got to actually take the washing out of the washing machine and chuck it in to dry yourself. My food come out in between me taking the washing out of the washer and putting it into the dryer. Come back in, my burger was there ready to go, and as I said, it was really nice. So after that, I just folded up my washing and I headed back. So the Marquis also has accommodation, which is about $10 more than what I'm paying, but you get a parking spot, and parking spots are a bit of a premium, as I found out the hard way, due to the fact that it's all metered parking near where I'm staying. So you can play the game like I do and find the motorcycle parking. It's only 400 metres around the corner, and then after 6 p.m. you can move the bike to the front. But it'd be so much simpler if it was off street and right outside your room. Anyway, let's go check out this hill I'm about to go down. It is huge. Anyway, so remember that. It's called the Marquis, or the Oasis. I think it's the Marquis. But, well, we're going to check out this view. It's amazing. But wait for the hill. The hill is huge. And I'm sure the camera doesn't do it justice. But my God, wait till you're going to come up to this white car here and watch it drop suddenly. It's huge. So, if you're going to walk it, you better be fit, or you're going to feel it. Look at that. Feels like I'm in San Francisco again. Anyway, I think I was meant to turn there. Ah, damn it, I was. Alright, we'll do a U-turn, go back up the hill. Lesson learned. Look at that. Huge! And trust me, yes, you're absolutely stuffed. Oh yeah, when you've got my fitness level. Barrack Street. Go up there. Turn left here. Ah. What's this only? Can we be dodgy? Oh. Yes, we can. Down to the BMW dealership. That's how I remember it. And turn left. Turn left here. So there's parking. Oh, slow down. Take it easy. Jeez. For another speeding fine. Yep. Spot on. Left here, and hopefully that was taking my 5-minute parking spot. No one ever does. It's great. 8 to 6 Monday to Friday, so tomorrow I get to sleep in. Turn sharply, and we're here. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you found the video interesting, give it a like, don't forget to share. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. Helps me out immensely. Anyway, catch you on the next one.